Hello and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to delete all your presentation notes in one go on Microsoft PowerPoint. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, to view your notes, you simply tap on the view section that appears on the top of your PowerPoint window. After that, you can see the notes page. So if you simply click on it, then you'll see the notes that are available on this page. To delete the notes on this page, you simply double tap on it and then select the line that you'd like to delete or select the note that you'd like to delete, and then simply tap on backspace or delete option on your keyboard. However, if you want to delete all the notes on your complete presentation at one go, then you're going to go ahead and visit the file section on your nav bar in Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, go ahead and visit the info option and click on check for issues. After that, select inspect document option. If you want to save the document, you tap on yes. However, if you don't, then you can simply proceed by clicking on the no option. Now, scroll down and at the bottom of the list, you will see presentation notes. Make sure that this option is selected and that this box in front of presentation notes is selected. Now, go ahead and click on inspect. After that, you scroll down and you can see that again at the bottom of your list you have presentation notes. So if you want to remove all the presentation notes on your PowerPoint presentation, simply click on remove all button. After that, close this window, go ahead and visit your PowerPoint presentation again. Go to view section and click on notes page again. As you can see, my notes have been deleted, and this is how you can delete multiple notes at once on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions still, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.